Welcome to our tutorial on how to add vehicles to your fleet using the Zeo platform. Managing your fleet effectively ensures optimal route planning and delivery efficiency. Let's get started. Navigate to the Settings section of the Fleet platform. Here, you will find the Vehicles option. In the Vehicles section, you can add, edit, and delete all the vehicles available. To add a vehicle, you will need to provide the following details. Vehicle name. This is a mandatory field. It helps in identifying the correct vehicle when assigning it to a driver for a route. If you have multiple cars, you can easily differentiate them based on their names. Vehicle type can be car, truck, bike, or scooter. This helps when assigning the vehicle to a driver for a route. For example, you wouldn't want to assign a truck for small parcel delivery. Specifying the vehicle type also helps the route planner account for route restrictions. By default, the vehicle type is set to a car. Vehicle number. This helps in identifying the correct vehicle, especially if you have many cars. Maximum capacity of vehicle. Total mass by weight in kgs that the vehicle can carry. This is essential for understanding how many parcels the vehicle can carry. Note that this feature works only when individual parcel capacities are mentioned. Maximum volume of vehicle. Total volume in cubic meters of the vehicle. This is useful for knowing how many parcels can fit in the vehicle. Note that this feature works only when individual parcel volumes are mentioned. Maximum distance the vehicle can travel. The maximum distance the vehicle can travel on a full fuel tank. This helps in understanding the vehicle's mileage and affordability on the route. Monthly cost of using the vehicle. This refers to the fixed cost of operating the vehicle on a monthly basis. Margin capacity. The capacity and percentage of the total capacity that can be successfully utilized for parcel placement within the vehicle. Margin volume. The volume and percentage of the total volume that can be successfully utilized for parcel placement within the vehicle. These settings will help in optimizing routes based on your fleet's capabilities and requirements. And that's it. You've successfully added a vehicle to your fleet, ensuring better management and route optimization. Thanks for watching.